beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Do you see these curls, honey? They are gorgeous. These are CurlsCurls kinky curly texture clip-ins, and I have them in 18 inches long. Now this hair is 100% virgin human hair. Upon unboxing, you do receive extra clip-ins along with care instructions, and I'm going to go ahead and cleanse and condition the hair. Now CurlsCurls specialize in seamless clip-ins, and these clip-ins have thinner wefts and they're easy to conceal and you won't feel them, and they also reduce shedding. I am super impressed at how thin these wefts are. Not only are they super thin, but this weft is so flexible, and the prongs on these combs are uniquely made as well, which definitely give you a more comfortable wear. I'm starting off with my hair flat twisted down, and I have some leave out. And I'm more of a twist out girl when it comes to my natural hair, so I'm going to create a twist out with these clip-ins. I'm placing my first two clip-ins. Then spritzing with some water, applying some moisturizer, and this is Kinky Curl Activating Cream. And I'm creating my twist. I'm adding my third clip in and repeating the same steps. Now that I'm at the top of my head, I'm going to go ahead and place the remaining clip-ins. And taking down my leave out as well. So I'm going to blend in my hair with the clip-ins. So I'm spritzing with some water, adding some avocado oil, along with Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. Then I'm just twisting my natural hair in with the clip-in hair. And I'm repeating the same step on the next section. Like the placement of that clip in, so I'm removing it and I'm going to actually split my leave out in two. So I'm thinning out my leave out a whole lot more, and look at how flat this clip in is, guys. You can't even tell it's there. I have no humping whatsoever. I have all my twist placed, I'm going in with this Eco Styler gel on my natural hair just to give me a little extra hold. This is the next day. I tied my hair down with a satin scarf and I allowed to dry overnight. Now that my hair is nice and dry, I'm going in with some avocado oil and removing the twist. Fluffing the hair out. And I'm using Gots to Be Glued to lay my edges. Look at how beautiful this hair blends in with my natural hair. These clip-ins are so comfortable. I didn't have any issues at all sleeping at night. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have CurlsCurls information link along with all products used in this video. Like this video as well. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.